It is Saturday, January 23rd, and Winter Storm Jonas is in full force. I'm about to go up, right out into it to go move our car. Yikes! I can barely see as it is. Hello! Don't get blown away, honey.
Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Look at the snow! Okay, we gotta get out of the street now.
Get out of the street.
I'm coming. This is Channel 4 Eyewitness News Weather Update with Suzette. How's it going out here, Mama?
Hi, everyone. Snow is still falling. It's windy. But I take the opportunity to clean off the snow. At least some of it off my car, so that possibly I can get to work, to church tomorrow. Look at this. This is about like 6 inches.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Amazing. But it's a soft and white now and easy and beautiful.
Yay! There are still a few people out, you know, walking their pets and stuff.
Walking the dogs.
Yeah.
And stuff.
I'm filming this with one eye open right now because the snow is in the other one. Oh my goodness. Alright. We'll get back to you in a few. Okay, so this is as much as we got done. The plows have been driving through as well as the sand trucks and the salt trucks. So Mom's just going to move the wheels a little bit now, just so it's not so hard to dig out during the second wave of snow. I'm sure my face is covered in icicles right now, but we're going to move inside and get warm for a bit. Good job, hon. Good job. Let's go. Good time. Good time. Woohoo!
Down there, well, feet so good.
I'm gonna have to start walking backwards again.